you guys doing on this Monday afternoon? It's very pretty here in Arkansas. How about where you guys are from? So as you're jumping on, tell me where you're from, tell me hello, and tell me, is it pretty, or is it storming or raining, or what's it doing in your part of the area? Hey, we are going to do this little I Will Love You Till the Cows Come Home project just on our chalkboard. We're going to do it in with white, and I love our signature color Chalk Couture teal. So we're just going to figure out what this is. And I wanted to come on because, guys, this one's in our last chance section. So I wanted to make sure you've seen it. You know, in case you want it for your decor, you might want to go ahead and get it purchased. Because once it's in the last chance section, it's pretty much, when it's gone, it's gone. Now, every once in a while, they bring back things from a retired list, or they might deposit on a different catalog. But for right now, it's going away, and I don't see it coming back for a while. So let's just get this on here and get started. So you guys are new. I'm Mandy Ross, and I am with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And I love to come on here, guys, and show you different ways to create our projects, do different things, show off our different transfers and stuff. And I'm going to kind of pop this up so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here a little bit better. So I'm just going to do the cow in white, and I'm going to do all these the borders in white, and then I'm going to do the wording in turquoise. So let's get started. I was going to bring this up real quick, maybe see if I can see your comments and stuff. But what did I say I was going to do? I always forget. Like, I kind of have it planned out, and then I get on here and I get nervous. How many of you guys do lives? It's kind of nervous, you know? You're nervous when people are on. You're nervous when people aren't on. It's pretty funny. So I think I was going to start with the wording first, but oh well. We'll start with the border first. And guys, if you have questions while we're going along, just put them in the comments or send me a direct message. I always get back to you. Actually, I might just leave that on there for a minute while we do I'm going to plop on the turquoise, the teal, and I think I'll be able to do it real fast. The one thing you want to do is when you're doing the different colors, you just want to be careful not to let your paste dry while it's on this is actually what we call silk screen transfer, also known like as a people also call it a stencil, but it's a little bit different. So just put on there, just be careful, since I want to get it you know, I want the cow to be white. I'm kind of trying to be careful that it doesn't get into my cow there. But screen. So there's actually a screen here, and that's how we get that really crisp and clean look. And then it's sticky, so you don't have to worry about it moving on you. Once you get it down on your surface, it stays. And then you can reuse it like up to a dozen times. So it's a really fun project to do and actually have it turn out, right? So just move your paste around, and then I'll probably lift this one up, the top of it up, so my paste doesn't dry. Let me concentrate here just a minute while I get in this little tight area. Trying to make sure I don't get the white and the teal together. Okay, get my excess up there. And then guys, go slow, because if you miss the spot, you can always put it back down and redo it. So I'm going to bring this up slow. And put it back down, and then I'm going to bring this, I'm going to take this up too, because I think it's already been on there long enough. Okay, and now I'm going to bring it back down. So now I can do the rest of it and not have to worry about that chalk drying, basically. I'm going to do the bottom here. And guys, we have over like 30 different paste colors. So you get to choose what goes with your house, right? And we have shimmer colors that are really pretty. Like we have gold shimmer, silver, bronze, and we've actually come out with some more. I think we have a green one for Christmas. Really pretty, really pretty. They just do so much for your project. It's not glitter, it's shimmer. Do you know the difference? I don't know if there's really how to explain it, but glitter kind of, help me out here. Glitter kind of has like a 3D effect almost, but this one with the shimmer, it just kind of shines, and it's not messy. It doesn't get a mess all over your house. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's keep going here. But are you guys farmhouse people? Could you actually see this one in your home? I think it's cute. I think just the saying itself is cute and would be really cute to have, you know, in the living room for the farmhouse style. It's, you know, in the den where basically where your family's at, right? So, guys, thanks for joining me this afternoon on a Monday. How's everybody's Monday going? Like I said, it's actually really nice outside, so it's actually gone pretty well. I can't complain. Let's see. I'm gonna get barely. My teal is like right there on the line. I think I'm gonna be okay though. Just a little bit of it. I'm gonna take. I don't want to get that teal in my white, so I'm just going to take that and scrape it off before I put it back in my bowl. Okay, there we go. This one's going to be a really cute and easy project, guys. Actually all of them are, but this one's really cute. Look how cute that little cow turned out. Now what I love about it, guys, is if you just want the cow, you just use the cow. Like you don't have to use the whole transfer, you just use bits and pieces of it. But guys, when I get done here, I'm going to take this to my sink and I'll just wash off the paste and I'll turn it over where the sticky side is up and I'll let it dry. And then once it's dry, I'll put it back on this white backer sheet with the sticky side and the shiny side together, and I will put it back on its packaging ready to use next time. So same way with our tools, I'll be just washing them up with water. That's all you need is water. You can even use like a Lysol wipe if you're not, out and about doing like a craft party with your girlfriends. You guys don't really have a sink nearby. You can just bring some Lysol wipes. But let me show you how cute that is. And this is done on one of our little 9x12 bar chalkboards, and this is magnetic. So if I wanted to put some little embellishments on there, I could just put some magnetic embellishments on it. But I love how that turned out. I love the teal pop on there. So thanks for joining me, guys. I said it was going to be really fast project as I like the fast ones. So guys, give me some hearts if you like this project. And like I said, it is limited quantity. So if you want it, I'm going to put the supply list down in the comments for you. So thanks for joining, and I'll talk